Welcome back, viewers. Are you ready to capture stunning moments effortlessly? In today's video, we're diving into the world of point-and-shoot cameras, showcasing 6 exceptional models that deliver both convenience and top-notch performance. These cameras are perfect for everyone, from beginners just starting their photography journey to seasoned photographers seeking a reliable, portable option. We'll cover a range of features, including advanced image stabilization to ensure your shots are always crisp and clear, impressive zoom capabilities for capturing distant subjects, and user-friendly designs that make snapping the perfect photo a breeze. Whether you're aiming for breathtaking landscapes, vibrant street photography, or fast-paced action shots, these cameras are equipped to handle it all. Stay tuned as we unveil our top picks for the best point-and-shoot cameras on the market today, helping you make an informed choice for your photography needs. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX G7 Point-and-Shoot Camera, a versatile imaging partner. Introducing the Panasonic LUMIX 7, a versatile 4K digital camera that brings advanced imaging technology to both amateur and professional photographers. Equipped with a 16-megapixel sensor, the G7 captures stunningly detailed and vibrant images. Paired with the LUMIX G Vario 1442mm Mega OIS lens, this camera offers impressive versatility, making it perfect for a wide range of shooting scenarios from landscapes to portraits. Its 4K video recording capabilities allow you to produce ultra-high-definition video content with rich detail and clarity. Designed with ease of use in mind, the G7 features intuitive controls and a compact, lightweight body, making it a great choice for on-the-go shooting. Whether you're capturing stills or video, the Panasonic LUMIX G7 provides exceptional performance and quality, empowering you to bring your creative vision to life. Number 2. Sony RX103 Point-and-Shoot Camera, elevate your photography experience. Introducing the Sony RX103, a premium point-and-shoot camera that combines advanced technology with a compact design. Featuring a 20.1-megapixel, 1-inch sensor, this camera captures stunningly detailed and vibrant images, making it ideal for both casual and serious photographers. The RX103 comes equipped with a versatile 24-70mm f/.82.8 Zeiss zoom lens, offering exceptional image quality and a wide range of shooting capabilities, from wide-angle to portrait shots. Its compact dimensions of 6 inches in length, 4.65 inches in width, and 2.93 inches in height make it easy to carry, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you're shooting in low light or capturing fast action, the Sony RX103 delivers impressive performance, making it the perfect travel companion for capturing high-quality photos and videos on the go. Number 3. Sony Alpha, a 6400 mirrorless camera, a compact imaging marvel. Introducing the Sony Alpha 6400, a compact and versatile APS-C interchangeable lens camera designed for photographers and videographers. With a 24.2-megapixel sensor, real-time autofocus, and 4K video recording, it delivers stunning image quality and precise focus. The included 1650mm lens covers a broad focal range, while the flip screen is perfect for vlogging and selfies. E-mount compatible, the A6400 allows for creative flexibility with a wide range of lenses. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for on-the-go shooting, making it the perfect tool for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Number 4. Sony ZV-1 digital camera, elevates visual storytelling to new heights. Introducing the Sony ZV-1, the perfect point-and-shoot camera for content creators, vloggers, and YouTubers. Compact and powerful, it features a bright 24-70mm f/.82.8 Zeiss lens, a flip-out touchscreen display, and a built-in directional microphone with a windscreen for clear audio. Capture stunning 4K HDR video with real-time autofocus and real-time tracking. Ideal for live streaming and virtual meetings, it can also function as a webcam. Lightweight and easy to use, the Sony ZV-1 helps you create and share high-quality content effortlessly. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go shooting, while its advanced features, such as real-time IAF and product showcase mode, help you achieve professional-looking results effortlessly. Number 5. Sony Alpha 1 full-frame camera, creative videography for traveler. Introducing the Sony Alpha 1, a cutting-edge point-and-shoot camera that redefines the boundaries of photography. With its advanced features and unparalleled performance, the Alpha 1 is designed to meet the demands of professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a high-resolution sensor and state-of-the-art image processing technology, this camera delivers stunning image quality with remarkable detail and clarity. Its lightning-fast autofocus system ensures precise focus, even in challenging shooting conditions, while its rapid shooting capabilities enable you to capture every moment with precision. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the Sony Alpha 1 is the ultimate tool for capturing life's most extraordinary moments with unmatched speed, accuracy, and reliability. Number 6. Sony A7 III Mirrorless Camera, capturing stunning visuals in any setting. Introducing the Sony A7 III, a powerhouse point-and-shoot camera that epitomizes versatility and excellence in photography. Paired with the high-quality 2870mm lens, this camera delivers exceptional image quality, capturing every detail with stunning clarity and vivid colors. The 3-inch LCD screen not only provides a clear and intuitive interface for navigating through settings and reviewing images but also allows for precise composition of shots, ensuring that you can frame your subjects perfectly. Whether you're an amateur enthusiast or a seasoned professional, the Sony A7 III offers an array of advanced features and functionalities tailored to meet the demands of any shooting scenario.